How to change ZenGo Wallet password. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your app store and make sure that this application ZenGo Wallet is installed on your device. Once it has been installed, click on Open. It will open up this page. Click on Continue. Now over here in this page it says sign up or recover your wallet by entering your email below, which means that you don't have to enter any of the password in order to log into your account. You can simply log in via your email address. In order to do so, what you want to do is enter the email address of your account. Your email address should be associated with your account. Once you have entered, click on Continue. You will receive one mail on your email address. Simply click on Open My Email. Select any of the app from here. Click on Gmail. It will open up your Gmail account. Head over to the very first mail and then click on this three dot. You will see the option where it says Tap to confirm. Click on it. Click on Continue. Tap on Enable Face ID. Your Face ID has also been enabled. Now tap on Explore the app at the bottom. And there you go, your account has been recovered successfully. So that's it, and this is simply how you can change the ZenGo Wallet password. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. And thank you for watching it till the end.